Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing quickly. Pick a LiDAR unit rated for indoor 0. 5-meter ranges and open the matching app. Once done, calibrate the sensor following on-screen prompts and charge to full to avoid interruptions. Make sure to clear large obstacles and set a clear starting point near the room center. This gives stable reference data. You want consistent height and orientation. Hold the device steady. These steps reduce drift and give a reliable baseline for the next sweep. You now perform the detailed scan. Walk slowly, about 0.5 to 1 meter per second, keeping passes overlapping by roughly 20 to 30% so edges align. As you move, rotate the device for full 360 degrees coverage every few meters to capture ceilings and corners. Angle briefly to reach under furniture. Monitor the live point cloud on your tablet. If you see gaps or noisy clusters, pause and rescan that patch. This method fills holes and improves registration when you merge multiple passes. You finish by merging your passes and running global registration to align them. Check residual errors and loop closure statistics. Once aligned, filter noise and decimate to the density you need, then export to OBJ or PLY for modeling. If you find misalignment, add a couple of ground control points or rerun a targeted rescan of the problematic area and rerun registration. One key troubleshooting tip: when drift appears, return to the start and capture a short overlap loop to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.